Hi everyone. When I was at school, I had a very good friend who was an exceptional long distance runner. And yet he used to smoke. He smoked like a chimney. And I could never understand how somebody who could smoke so much could run so well. And one day I said to him, "How do you do it?" And he said, "It's very simple. When I begin the race, I look and see the furthest thing I can find and I go for it. And as I get to that target, that obstacle, I look for the next one and I go for it. And then I look for the next one." He went from situation to situation with all of his might, and he was great. And you know, that illustration has stuck with me all these years, because in my Christian walk, your Christian walk, we are called to run the race of faith. It's not a sprint. It's not 100 meters. No, it's long distance. And yes, sometimes that can be overwhelming. Sometimes that can be too much for us. We can see that it's so far. How will I ever get there? I don't seem to be changing. I'm not growing. I still have the same issues. I don't understand. All of these things come. But if we look at life and life's circumstances and situations, and we take each one as an opportunity to run and to run far and to run that situation or to that situation with all of our heart, you'll be surprised how far we are going to go. In fact, you'll be surprised how far you have already come. There are many obstacles in life. There are many situations. We may fall down, but we can get up. We may stumble, but we can correct. There are times when we are weary, we have to slow down a bit, regroup, re-get our strength, but we continue. There are times when we feel alone, we feel lost, but we've got a brother, we've got a sister who can come alongside, and we can continue the race. The most amazing thing that we see in Hebrews chapter 11 and 12 is that we have this great cloud of witnesses, all these brothers and sisters that have gone before us. And they're sitting in the stands of life and they're cheering us on. And they're saying, "Come on, Peter, you can do it. Come on, brother, you can do it. Come on, sister, you can do it. We're in the race and we're going to run to the end." So we run with all of our hearts. God will give us the faith we need. It's not something we have to work up. No, He gives us the faith. What He's looking for from you and I in this race of life is the willingness to continue and the willingness to complete the race. That desire and intensity of heart which says, "Lord, I'm going to continue. You're with me. I'm going to win this victory in this race of life." God bless you.